Are you getting this error message in your system? If yes, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you the best solution. So the first step is to open PowerShell as an administrator. So simply type PowerShell in Windows search, right click here and click on run as administrator. Herein you need to run sfc scannow command, and after that you need to run these two dism commands. I am giving you these two ScanHealth and CheckHealth command and scannow command in video description as well. So check out the description of this video to find all these three commands. So the next step is to open services page. So in Windows search, simply you can type services.msc and open this services page. So first of all, herein you need to look for Windows updates, and in Windows updates you need to right click here and you need to click on this stop button. Now you need to look for background intelligence. So look for the background intelligence. So this is the next command, background intelligence transfer services. Right click here and click on look for the background intelligence transfer services. Right click here and click on stop again. Now you need to look for Sysmain. So this is the command. You just need to right click here again and click on stop. Now you need to go to this computer or my computer and you need to open one path. Just paste this path. I will give you this path in the video description as well. This is the download path, and herein you need to delete all these things. Select all and right click here, but do not delete the download folder. Just right click here and click on delete option. After deleting everything, you need to go to Windows services and start all this Sysmain. Click on start, then again go to background intelligence and click on start, then go to Windows update and click on start. Click right click again, click on start. After that you need to reboot your system and see whether this issue got resolved or not. Otherwise move to the next step. The next step is to again open your PowerShell as an administrator. You need to now reinstall Microsoft Store. So you need to enter this command. You can find this command in the description. Just press on enter and it will reinstall your Microsoft Store, and you need to again go to Microsoft Store and reinstall it. So make sure to reinstall Microsoft Store, and after that your last step is to download the media creation tool. So this is the link from Microsoft link which you need to open, and it will download media creation tool for you, and I will give you this link in the description as well. Just open this link and run this tool. So it will repair and update using media creation tool. Now you need to scroll down at the bottom and click on accept. It may take time to complete. You just need to follow on screen instruction to do it. You just need to keep all your files in app. Just need to tap on this and you need to click on update to complete this process. And after you can see update. You just need to press on this, upgrade this PC now, and click on next. And it will take some time and download the necessary things for your PC, so it may take some time. So after doing this process, you need to restart your PC and check whether this issue got resolved or not. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.